Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking dental clinic logo. So if you have a dental clinic and want to update your dental logo, or you run social media accounts related to dentistry and want to create your own logo, then this video is for you. So without any delay, create your account on canva.com. The best part about Canva is that you don't need any experience in design or creativity. Canva provides pre-made templates that you can simply modify and make your own design. So create your account and go to the search bar and type Dental Logo. And then you'll see various options and templates that you can choose from and edit as you like to make it your own. Go to the See All option to explore many more templates and pick whichever you prefer. I'll have a look and pick the one I like. For example, this one looks good to me. So I'll click on it and I'll see even more suggestions and options, but I'll stick with this one. After you find a template you like, just customize it. Now you have full access to change or modify anything you want. So now, since I have full access, let's start with the text. If you want to customize your text, these are the options you'll use. You can change the font to any font you like. Use this option to resize your text. And this option is for changing text color. And this is to make text bold, italic, underline, and strike through. Uppercase and lowercase options, and alignment settings. This button is for adding bullet points. And this option allows you to adjust letter spacing and line spacing. This one is for transparency settings. Effects. If you want to add any effect or adjust your text's curve, there's the option, plus more advanced effects. If you want to animate your text, this one is for position, to quickly reposition with one click. And similarly, you can customize your text as you want. Now moving on to elements, you can change their color by just clicking on them and selecting color. If you want to add new elements, just remove it and go to the Elements tab. Then go to the search bar and type dental or any related keyword. You'll see many options like these. Maybe I'll choose this one. I can do the same. For example, I will use line spacing, and I will change this element to match the same color as my text. I'll go with this one, or maybe this one. I'll resize it. And maybe I'm going to use a rectangle, and I will choose this one. Then go with another shape, maybe this one. And I'll resize it like this. I'll send it to the back, arrange the layers, and send it backward. And now I need to change the color of the text, like this. And I'll just make it bigger. And I will resize it like this and reposition it. And I'll resize it if needed. If I want to change the background color, just click on the background. And here you'll find the background color option. Maybe I'll go with something like this. So you see how simple it is to modify anything you want. You can add your own elements, customize your text, branding colors, images, and everything else you need. Once you're done with your design, to export it, rename your file and go to the Share option. Download and export it as a PNG, or if you prefer, you can choose a different format.